Thought, right, I've got to get myself out of this pit.
Yeah.
And he started learning the strategies. And once you've got the strategies, you can become a top affiliate, just like James.
He thank God he didn't actually take his life away. He started with affiliate marketing, and today, like I said, he's the #1 affiliate marketing in Builderall. Took years and years to learn. James, I know that James is a guy because a guy who spends all of his money into going into masterminds and networking. Because I've talked to him a lot, and basically the strategies that he teaches you in the course are the strategies that he learned from spending $5,000, $10,000, $20,000 on masterminds.
Basically, no matter where you are in the world, no matter what struggles you're going through, anybody can do it if they learn these specific strategies.